In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in a Kit template. We'll walk through this together step by step. So by the end, you'll have a clean, professional email signature that shows up automatically in your broadcasts and sequences. First, go ahead and log into your Kit account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation option labeled Send. This is where all of your email-related tools live. Hover over or click on Send, and then choose Email Templates. This section controls how your emails look, so any changes you make here will apply wherever that template is used. Next, find the specific template you want to edit. This might be your default broadcast template, a newsletter layout, or a template you've created for a specific funnel. Click on the template name to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your existing layout and the placeholder for your email content. Look for the area that contains the message content tag, which usually looks like a block where your main email text goes. Scroll down to the bottom of the content area, typically just below that message content section. This is the ideal spot for your signature, so it appears after every email you send with that template. Now, to add your signature, look for the small plus icon in the editor. This is what you'll use to insert a new block. Click the plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose Image. Here, you can upload a photo of your handwritten signature for a more personal touch, or a professional headshot if you prefer a cleaner, branded look. Make sure the image is clear, not too large, and looks good on both desktop and mobile. Once the image is in place, click the plus icon again to add another block directly underneath it. This time, select a text block. In this area, type out your name, your title or role, and any key social links you want to include, like your website, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Keep it simple and consistent with your brand voice so it feels natural at the end of every email. When you're happy with how everything looks, move to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. That's it. Your signature is now part of that template and will automatically appear in any future emails that use it.